Welcome back e te whānau, and thank you so much to Arija for keeping it sweet, keeping us on track as we're learning Te Reo Māori, Te Reo o ngā tipuna, Te Reo rangatira. Koutou anō e te whānau. Our video tuarua, our second video, A, E, I, O, U. Our second one, A, E. The sounds today, the oro, OROKATI. Yesterday, in the other video, OROPUARE, open sounds. Today, OROKATI, closed sounds. OROKATI. Try that. OROKATI. Ka pai, anō, OROKATI. Ka pai. So those sounds are closed as opposed to open. A, E, I, O, U. If you think about that, all those sounds were open, whereas these sounds, they'll tend to become from a sort of closed. OROKATI. It's the equivalent to the consonants. Ka pai whānau, so looking forward to doing that in this visual video. Don't forget we've got the audios to come and the written context, the tuhinga. Ka pai, so let's get started on the OROKATI. OROKATI whānau, OROKATI. Ara, H. First thing that comes out. H, K, M, N, P. Anō. H, K, M, N, P. Let's try that together. Just breathe. Just try it. H, K, M, N, P. I'll run the next lot out. R, T, W, N, Th. Anō. R, T, W, N, Th. Let's try that together. R, don't forget to breathe. R, T, W, N, Th. Ka pai, expel that breath on that whole group. So from the top, we'll go together. Don't worry, it will come to you in due course. Breathe. I'm sure it's written there for you too. H, K, M, N, P. Breathe. R, T, W, N, Th. Ka pai whānau. There we have it. We have 5 oropuare, open sounds, and 10 OROKATI. From the top, OROKATI, OROKATI, join me. H, K, M, N, P. R, T, W, N, Th. There you have it, whānau. There are our OROKATI. We have had the oropuare, today the OROKATI. Look out for tomorrow for our third and final group, the OROKE, or the ORORUA, and those are the blends or the diphthongs where they'll take like 2 vowels, 2 oropuare, blend it together. Ae, ai, ao, au. Ka kite a pōpō.